am Abbas ibn Farnas, a Berber Andalusian polymath who lived in the 9th century. I was an inventor, astronomer, physicist, chemist, mathematician, engineer, musician, and Arabic language poet. I am most famous for my attempt at human flight, which I accomplished when I was between the age of 65 and 70. I became the first aviator to fly with a heavier-than-air machine. I was born in Ronda in the Tacouruna province, which is present-day Spain. I made various contributions in the field of astronomy and engineering. I constructed a device that indicated the motion of the planets and stars in the universe. I also came up with a procedure to manufacture colorless glass and made magnifying lenses for reading, which were known as reading stones. I was a creative engineer and inventor who designed the almacata, a water clock. I also developed a process for cutting glass and made the first lenses that could be used to correct some vision problems. I was a student of music and Arabic poetry, and I built a planetarium. I was a writer and a poet, although I was not very good at it. I was a true polymath, and my contributions to science and technology were significant. I was a part of the Islamic Golden Age, a time of great learning and discovery. I am proud to have been the world's first pilot. I flew with a heavier-than-air machine, staying in flight for about 10 minutes. I did this more than 1,000 years before the Wright brothers. I'm also famous for developing a glass lens that could be used to correct some vision problems. I had done many inventions and am so famous that a crater on the moon has been named after me.